Freecash is one of the most talked about money making sites right now. But is it really legit? I tested it and here is what I found. Let's get straight into how Freecash actually works and what you can expect if you decide to use it. When you first log in, you will see the Earn tab. This is where everything happens. The first section is called Featured Offers. These are usually the highest paying tasks available in your country. They can include things like downloading and testing mobile apps, signing up for a free trial of a service, registering for new websites, or reaching certain levels in games. Some of these offers pay just a few cents, but others can pay several dollars if you complete them fully. The key is to always read the instructions carefully so you know exactly what's required. Next to featured offers, you will find the offer walls. Think of them as marketplaces, packed with smaller tasks. You can scroll through and pick whatever looks interesting. This gives you more control because you can filter and choose the ones that match your time and effort. And then there are surveys. For many people, this will be the easiest way to earn on Freecash. They work with multiple survey providers, which means you'll often have several options at once. Surveys typically pay anywhere from 50 cents to a few dollars each. The big factor here is location. In some countries, you will qualify for a lot of surveys every day, while in others, the opportunities are fewer. Freecash tries to keep things more engaging than just offers and surveys. There are a couple of features worth mentioning. First, the daily streaks. If you log in and complete tasks every day, you can claim a bonus. It starts small, but it adds up, and sometimes you can win larger random rewards just for showing up consistency. They also run regular leaderboard contests every single day. Freecash distributes $500 to top earners, and every month they put $5,000 into the pool. You don't have to do anything extra to join. Just use the platform normally, and you are automatically competing. Even if you are not in the very top, you can still get small bonuses for being active. Like many get paid to sites, Freecash also has a referral system. If you invite someone to join, you will earn a small percentage of whatever they make. Over time, that can add up, especially if you build a network of active users. The person you invite also benefits. They will receive a free case that gives them a small bonus right after signing up. Sometimes at just a few cents, but it can technically be up to $250. It's a nice extra for newcomers. Now let's talk about payouts, one of the strongest points of Freecash. Unlike many sites that make you wait until you have earned $20 or more, Freecash has very low threshold. For crypto withdrawals, you can cash out from as little as 50 cents. For gift cards, it's usually $5 to $10. For PayPal, the minimum is $5. And in some cases, like with certain partners, you can even withdraw starting at 25 cents. That means you don't have to grind for weeks before seeing results. Payments are processed quickly, often within minutes and usually no longer than a few hours once your account is verified. They also support a wide range of payout methods. You can choose PayPal, crypto like Bitcoin or Ethereum, popular gift cards, or gaming skins. That flexibility makes it appealing to people with different preferences. Now to the big question, how much can you really make? Freecash is not going to replace a full-time job. No site like this will. But compared to other reward platforms, it does stand out for higher payouts and more consistent opportunities. On good days, users in countries with lots of offers and surveys might make $10 to $20. Some even manage $30 to $50 in a single day by completing high-paying offers like game milestones. However, that's not realistic for everyone, and those kind of earnings won't happen every day. In countries with fewer offers, you might only make $1 or $2 a day. That's still fine if you treat it as a pocket money, but it's important to set the right expectations. The best way to think about Freecash is as a flexible side activity. You can log in when you have spare time, complete some surveys, try out a few offers, and cash out quickly. If you are consistent, the earning builds up, and the contests, streaks, and referrals can give you extra boost along the way.